Hi guys, this is the second video of Python programming language series, and in this video we are going to install Python in your system, and we'll be installing Python shell from the official website, and also we'll be installing Anaconda Navigator, which is a data science platform for Python. And so let's get started.
In this section we are going to see how to install Python shell from the official Python website. So for this I am opening my browser and giving python.org. In this website, under the downloads tab, you can see the link for download for Windows 3.7.4, which is the latest version of Python, and I'm going to save the file. Save. Yes. I think it's completed the download. I'm opening the file location. I am double clicking on it. I am simply giving install now, so I'm just leaving it everything by default. It takes a bit of time to install. So yes, the setup was successful. Now I'm going to close this tab. So now I'm going to verify whether we have really installed the Python shell properly. I'm going to search Python here, so I can see that some IDLE. This is nothing but Python shell. Yes. Now in this shell you can practice the Python commands, and for example I'm going to give print and the mandatory statement, which is hello world, for any programming language to begin with. And here it is, we got the output. And now I'm going to give x equal to 5, which is an integer, and I'm going to see the value of 5 by simply giving x. So it shows us what is present, what the data the x is having currently. So it shows that x is having 5 now. Now I'm going to assign x equal to and India. Let's see what x is having. Now the variable x is having India, so it basically overridden the previous value of 5 with the new value India. So yes, we have successfully installed the Python shell. I'm just going to give exit. I will go. Now it is asking your program is still running, do you want to click yes. Now we are going to see about Anaconda platform, and the Anaconda distribution is nothing but the data science platform. It has many packages which support data science. So for this I'm going to visit the Anaconda website. So let's see how I'm getting there. Anaconda Python, searching it, and the first link, which is anaconda.com by distribution. So yes, and I'm just giving download, and it is asking us which version we need to download, and make sure that you select Windows here, and we are already in Windows, and now I'm going to select which version I need to install. For my PC it is 64-bit, and make sure you check which version your PC is, and I will tell you how to check which version is your PC. go to Windows and my computer, this PC, and basically I'm just searching my computer, and here you give properties. It will tell you whether your system is 64-bit or 32-bit. Here under the system, the system type it is showing is 64-bit. So my system is 64-bit. So for this I am going to install 64-bit graphical installer. So I am saving the file. So yes, it is a little bit large file, 486 megabytes. So let's wait for its completion of download. Now the download is complete. Now I'm going to open the file location. I'm going to give double click. Next. The user agreement. Yes, I agree. Yeah, just me. You can leave it to a default destination folder, or you can give your customized folder. For me, I'm going to give my custom folder, data softwares. Here's where I usually install all the software, so I'm specifying the path here, or you can just leave it to the default path itself. So I'm going to click next. It's not empty. Choose the different location. Okay. Browse. It's good. I'm going to make a new folder, which is Anaconda. Click OK. Next. You can give. You can just leave it as it is and give install. It usually takes a bit of time since it's a larger package. So let's wait for some time. And yes, it has taken a lot of time, and just now it has completed. I'm clicking next. And yeah, next. I'm just unclicking this now, giving finish. We have successfully installed Anaconda. Now we are opening the Anaconda Navigator. This Anaconda Navigator will have all the packages it has, such as Spider and Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook is something we will be using for data science. So it has everything. As you can see, even it has RStudio also. So now I'm going to open Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook is a web-based environment, and now I'm going to create a new notebook. Under the new drop down, you can select Python 3, and you can see that a new Jupyter Notebook is opened. It has multiple shells, So I'm going to do the same. X equal to 5, enter, and X, and I'm going to give shift plus enter. Now it will produce the output, which is 5. It just shows the value present in the X here. So similarly you can practice the Python program here also. Basically the data scientists prefer using notebook because it is easier for them to visualize and code everything in the same notebook. It can also be exported as a report, and it can, so that it is easier for them to present their ideas to others. So mostly data scientists prefer using Notebook, and in our tutorials also we will be using Jupyter Notebook only. So I'm just going to close it. Close and forget. Leave page. And before coming out of the Jupyter Notebook, don't forget to save your program. Otherwise, your program will be lost. Yeah, I'm going to quit. You have shut down Jupyter, you can now close it down. Yeah, I'm going to close it. Now I am getting into Anaconda Navigator again, and you can see that the spider is nothing but an IDE for Python. I'm going to open it. It is launching the spider IDE now. Yes, now we have everything ready. Here I am giving print in the editor, print of hello. Yes, now I'm going to run this sample program using, you can give F5 or you can use this triangle to run this file. You can simply give run. Now you can see that in the console output the hello is being printed as output. So we have successfully installed Anaconda Navigator now.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video, and I really hope the video was very helpful to you in terms of installing Python in your system. And in the next video of this series, we'll be discussing more in detail about data types present in Python. And have a great day.